The importance of a trading plan cannot be over-explained or overemphasized, because your trading plan is your tool, is your sword that you use to go to the market, execute trades. So let me put it to you like this. If you are an engineer, you have your toolkit that explains a breakdown of everything you need to do. Let's say you're a mechanical engineer. Okay, this motor I'm going to be working on today, these are the things that I need to understand. These are the diagrams, these are some of the things, these are the key things I need to pay attention to be able to achieve this goal. If you are a warrior or you are a soldier and you're going to the battlefield, you have a plan. You have your gun, you have your bullets, you have your vests. All these are the things you need that empowers you as you go to the war zone. And that's the exact same thing it feels like when you come into the market. If you're coming to the market without a trading plan, you're as well going to war naked with no plan, no guns, no armor, nothing. An experienced trader are there to eat you up because this is their job. So today we're going to be talking about the importance of having a concrete trading plan. Emphasis on the word a concrete trading plan that allows you to go into the market confidently. So now the first talking point is going to be your trading plan enhances your discipline. Let me use a military man as an example for this. So as a military man, when you go into war, you have your combat tools, you have everything ready. When you go to the war front, your brain is sharp. You know exactly what you are trying to achieve. That's the same thing it is in the market. When you come to the market with a trading plan, a proper trading plan, it helps you stay more disciplined. So you know what you're looking for in the market, you know the patterns you're looking for in the market. You're not looking to just buy and sell anywhere or buy low and sell high because they say buy low and sell high. No, you don't do that. You have what you're coming to do in the market because you have tested it time and time again, and it has become ingrained in you, and you have it well mapped in your trading plan, so you're able to execute when the opportunity presents itself. So number one, enhance discipline. And number two is going to help you. Your trading plan helps you continuously improve. So once you try a thing, it's not working, but you tried exactly what is in your trading plan. Now it gives you an opportunity to go and reshaping your trading plan, revamp the trading plan to keep you on track. Okay, my analysis has been faulty for the last 2-3 trades, but what's going on? Or my analysis has been faulty, or my trade entry and trade execution has been faulty for the last quarter. What can I do to improve on this? These are the things that your trading plan helps you to do. It helps you improve your decision making and helps you promote continuous improvement. You are continuously improving as a trader because you have a trading plan, a reference point, a backing for your delivery in the market and for your execution in the market. And the third on the list is going to help you have a defined trading goal and objective. So let me use myself as an example, as I am the one preaching the trading plan topic. So for me, on my trading plan, I have the pairs I trade concretely down there. I have the time frames I trade them perfectly outlined down in my trading plan. I have the patterns I trade perfectly outlined in my trading plan. I have the techniques, I have the conferences I need to see in the market. All of these are on my trading plan. So before I take a trade, I now start vetting from my trading plan and to what is going on currently in the market. What conferences am I seeing that makes me want to take this trade? Am I taking an emotional trade? Am I revenge trading? Or am I greed trading? Is the action or the decision I'm about to make in the market currently, is it going to serve as exactly what is in my trading plan? These are things you need to consider. So it helps you track your goals and objective, and it aligns you with your goals and objective in the market. So these are 3 important things that you cannot skip away from as a trader. You have to be disciplined if you're trading in the market. You have to make proper decisions, not emotional decisions. And thirdly, you have to have a goal. So these are the 3 things I've spoken about. The trading plan helps you to have proper decision and enhance decision making. It helps you stay very disciplined, and it helps you stay objective while chasing your goals because it has outlined the things you need to do to achieve the goals you have set for yourself. So don't forget to create a trading plan today. Don't do it tomorrow. Create your trading plan. The day you encounter this video is an opportunity. It's a reminder for you to have a trading plan. Create a trading plan today and get into working to become a profitable trader like we dream to become as we are in this market. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll be here to serve you continuously. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.